Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be introducing Laravel Breeze. In the course of the week, Taylor tweeted about a new package that was released called Laravel Breeze. Now, if you go through Twitter, you see it, Laravel Breeze. According to him, it's just like the Laravel JString that was released alongside Laravel 8. But in this, it's not as complicated as JString. Without, JString comes with Fortify and some other packages behind. But with Laravel Breeze, it's just a little configuration. It gives you the power to customize everything, just like the legacy UI that Laravel uses before Laravel 8. Now, with this, you can be able to scaffold your application and run it without having so many configuration that comes with JString. Now without saying much, let's move on and install it. Now, how do we install it? We can install it like the normal Laravel installation. You can say Laravel new, I call it Breeze. My application, new Breeze. I click on this. Now it's installing. Now you can decide to use the previous installation that you use, like using the previous one, Composer create app, create project, Laravel Breeze. This is one of an application. When I was trying it, I used this and it's also created an application for me. So you can use this. When using this, you must make sure that Laravel is installed on your system. In case you don't know how to install Laravel to your system, you can go to Laravel documentation, or you can click here and say Composer. You can say Composer Global require Laravel / installer. Now with this, Laravel will be installed globally to your system. So whenever you want to install Laravel, no need of typing Laravel create project, Composer create project. All you need to do is just type Laravel new. With this, Laravel new, it gives you a new Laravel application. So while we are waiting for this, now we install it, then we wait for it to finish. Just give it like a minute or two, then you have it. At max 3 minutes, you have it. So just depending on how fast your network or your data internet is. So let's pause our video and wait for it. Okay, while waiting for this, let me introduce you to in case you prefer article, I have an article that was released some couple of minutes ago, how to set it up. You can go to dev.to/case-consult. Just go to www.dev.to/case-consult. You are going to get to my profile. Now, this is the article I just wrote some couple of minutes ago about the same process I'm introducing to you on the video. Now click on it. You are going to see everything I wrote about this on it. So you can follow me on this. Click on my profile, follow me to see more of my article. I have some couple of articles. I release article weekly or twice weekly. Follow me, then we'll go on. Yes, it has finished installing. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to seed into Breeze. Now, after we are seeding into Breeze, we are going to require the Laravel Breeze. So we are going to say composer require Laravel slash Breeze in developmental stage. Now we click on it. It's going to pull all those dependencies. Why is still going on? You can click on subscribe below, like my videos, subscribe, turn on the notification. I will be updating you more on Laravel. I have some couple of videos on my channel. You can check out anyone you are looking for. You can leave a comment below. You can leave a suggestion or an article that you expect me to write about. Anything you are finding difficult, reach out to me. I can help you out. Click on my videos, like on the videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Now while we wait for this, so I'm still open for any Laravel job. In case you have a job, I'm still open. Now our composer it has required. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to install it. We say PHP artisan install. Okay, Breeze install. Okay, now Breeze scaffolding installed successfully. Now it asks us to please execute this. Now the next thing we are going to just copy this because of our time. Copy this, paste it, and execute it. It's going to run all the JavaScript packages that we need for this. We wait. While we wait for this, let's go to the database setup. Now if you come to your env file, this is the Breeze. Click on this. We come to our env. This is automatically created for us. Now you can see the app key that is generated automatically. You don't need to generate the app key. Now coming to this, you are going to see the Breeze. Now the database the name has been given as Breeze. You can choose to change the name or you create a database with this name. Now I'm going to create a database with this name. I go to my PHP, my admin. I come here, I click on new. I create Breeze. Okay, I have it. Create Breeze. Now after creating this, we have our database named Breeze, which is the same thing as what we have here. After we have done that, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to run our migration. But before we run our migration, we need to put the default string length. So how do we put the default string length? You come to your app, click on your app, go to your providers, and click on your app service provider. Now come to the boot set method. Now I'm going to go to one of my application and copy it due to time, copy it here. But this is the schema that will give the default string length. We put it as 191. Why we did this so that it will not cause an error, because in the course of migration, your database might ask what is the default string length. If it is not specified, it's going to throw an error. Now remember, we need to put call the class. Come here, I call the class here. Now this is the part of the class. After we have done this, then the next thing is running our migration. So how do we run our migration? It's as easy. PHP artisan migrate. Oh, our npm has finished working on. So I click on PHP artisan migrate. Okay, we are not on that place. We click on it, artisan migrate. I click on this. It runs all the migration. Now we are done. So the next thing, everything is okay. Now we start our app. We say PHP artisan migrate. PHP artisan migrate. Okay, it has finished migrating. So artisan save. We start our app. Now if everything goes well, clicking on our app, this is supposed to bring us to this. Let's copy this down. Wanted to click on it, but it's not going. So now we have our app. Our app is now set up. This is just like the gesturing. We have our login, we have the register. We can now click on our register and register to our app. Now I can come here, I give my name, Kingsley Okpara. King's results. I give it a password. Your password must be greater than 8. Now we have our application set up. Everything is set up. This is the database and it's now registered. So you can come here and you log out. You can log in with the credentials we used before. You can say King's Consult. I have this. I have my password. It logged me in back. Now there's so many things we can do about this. So many things has been set up for us. We can change our password, we can change our password, we can reset the password. So many things has been done. Now let's do this. There's something we need to do. We can set up our email. I come to this, I set up email, I'll copy my email. I come here, okay, I copy the email settings of one of my previous application. I can come here and copy the previous settings. Here and here is it. Come here, copy it. I paste it here. Okay, here is my email. I paste it here. Once I paste it, the next thing I will do, okay, now let me see the Breeze. And when I see the into Breeze, I can come here to change my password. I can come here and say I forgot my password. Click on forget password. I put my email address that I use. Laravel is going to find it. Once it gets it, it's going to send an email to the password I provided. You can see we have email your password link here. Once you come here, click on this. Let me go to my Gmail. I'm going to see it. A password reset has been sent to you. You can see it. So everything has been set up for us. You can click on the link to change our password. Clicking on that, it will ask you for the email. Provide the email address and you provide your password, the new password you want to use. Now I reset my password. Everything is fine. Your password has been reset. Once you come to login, now click on the login. Click on this and come to the password, the new password I've changed. everything is okay. So that is that. You have it. You have the basic Laravel Breeze, basic Laravel application using Laravel Breeze. So before we go, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel to get more of it. In case you don't know anything, you can write write a comment below and I will be there to help you out. See you next time. Thank you.